Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you could see by the title, today I'm going to be cleaning my beauty room. I haven't cleaned it in about a week. It's actually been like 2 weeks, but you know, yeah, I have a mess right now. I have PR packages everywhere. I have boxes. My makeup is everywhere. I can't wait to start cleaning because I've been wanting to clean for the past few days, but I didn't want to start anything because I really wanted to film it for you guys, and here I am. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. It's a lot different from my other videos, so yeah, I really hope you guys like it. I also did my makeup, but I hate it. I just don't like it. I feel like this pink eyeshadow right here ruined everything, and I just left it like that because I didn't want to take it off, and I just really wanted to start cleaning. So yeah, look at the back. Like, I don't know if you guys could see the back right here. It's so messy. Oh my gosh. And look right here. I have makeup everywhere. I have my little seat over there that has glitter. You guys can't really see it, but yeah. I have clothes on top of that. Yeah. I also have more boxes over there, and I'm gonna take a lot of makeup out because I need to like get rid of some for a giveaway that I'm planning to do, so make sure you stay tuned. Look what I just got. This is bomb. I highly recommend it. It's just so good. Like, the flavor and everything is delicious. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to open it up. By the way, I need to get my nails done. They're looking crusty. Let's try to do this. Okay, I think I'm gonna need my other hand. Ooh, I did that. I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks before. So this is where I'm gonna start, right here on this area. So I'm gonna start putting all my big brushes right here. I already put everything in place. Everything that was right here, all the brushes are in their places now. I'm gonna be doing this side now. I'm gonna be adding like the bronzers and my lipsticks. I'm gonna be putting them away. This is where I keep all my nude lipsticks. These are my darker lipsticks. I even have a black one. How cool. And all my lip glosses, I usually just have them in the middle. So now that I finished cleaning my beauty desk, I'm gonna start cleaning everything else that's around me. So I'm gonna start with taking the makeup out and putting it away. Thank you so much, Bold Face Makeup. They sent me this package and I was really happy because I really like their lashes. Oh, these are cute. And I also received this package from Araceli Beauty. They sent it to me on Valentine's Day. Super cute. Look at the lashes. I love them. There's another one right here. They sent me some chocolates that I still haven't ate. And ooh, I didn't even see these. And look how cute. I love their packaging because, I don't know, it's just super cute. But look how cute this Tajín bottle is. Oh my god, it's so small. I also have more lashes over here from the Lash Bar LA. You guys know I've been obsessed with their lashes, so I highly recommend them. Go check them out. They sent me this really nice PR package. Thank you so much. Oh, I also received this from Violet Voss. I don't think it's this. No, not that. But I received this right here for Valentine's Day as well. I actually have been eating these. I don't know why, but they're really good. They sent over this really nice palette. So I'm just gonna start with taking everything out. I'm so excited to try these. These are neon eyeliner and they're like different colors. I'm definitely gonna try these. PR package I got from LA Girl. It's so big. There's four eyeshadow palettes. I have all my eyelashes right here. Wow, that was heavy. CoverGirl also sent me this huge package. This package is actually really heavy, so I'm gonna try my best to hold it up for you guys so you guys could see it. They literally sent their whole like collection. There's so many powders, different skin types, skin tones. This is awesome. Like, wow, this is amazing. I'm super thankful to be receiving stuff like this. Like, thank you guys, because without you guys I wouldn't be getting all this stuff. So thank you. I love you guys. Two hours later and I'm finally finished. Well, not really, I still need to pick that up, but you know, finally finished. This is how it looks now. It's so clean. I did put the boxes away over here I'm still gonna throw them away, so I'm gonna do that once I finish this video. But yeah, I also still need to do this, but I'm gonna do that right now. And I also have more boxes over here, but this is okay. That was really freaking weird. I have more boxes over here. This is for the giveaway. I took out a lot of stuff, and I also fixed this little area. I put the chocolates there. And on this side, I didn't really have to organize it that much because it was already pretty clean. On my makeup palettes and my skincare, my hair tools. On this side, I did have to fix everything because it was really messy. So I have my sunglasses right there. My lipsticks, all my lipsticks are right here. All my eyelashes, I organized all of them. And I have just a bunch of random stuff on the last one. Oh my god, it does not want to close. Okay. I just finished cleaning and I'm so tired, but I still need to go to the gym and I still need to edit this video because I do want to post it tomorrow, which is Wednesday, and I really want to get it done. So I have things to do tonight. I hope you guys like this video. I had so much fun filming this for you guys. Let me know if you guys want me to do more videos like this. Definitely let me know because I'm so down. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and also make sure you follow me on Instagram. Everything will be listed down below like always. But yeah, that is it, and I'll see you guys on my next video.